Hi, I'm Bob Fuller. Say, if you're a young person who is interested in graphic design, illustration, creative direction, but you're not quite sure where to start or where to get some skills that can sort of give you an advantage over your competition, that's why I built this YouTube channel. I'm going to bring out some tutorials that help you to build skills upon skills. So starting at the beginning, building on those skills for drawing, illustration, graphic design, including layout, typography, color, using all the popular software that you're used to using. We'll also do analog things, drawing with regular old pencil and paper and pen and ink and maybe a little brushwork as well. So I hope you'll enjoy this channel. Please subscribe to the channel and share it with anybody else that you know who might be interested in growing their skill set and pursuing their dream of becoming a graphic designer or illustrator. I look forward to sharing this stuff with you and hearing your comments and your feedback. Thanks for checking out my channel.